Good morning. Myself, Amrita Kedas, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Vedavyasa Institute of Technology. Here I am going to share my knowledge about one new technology, that is Blue Eye technology. What is Blue Eye technology? Blue Eye is the technology to make computer to sense and understand human behavior and feelings and respond in the proper way. Okay. What is Blue Eye technology? Blue stands for the Bluetooth connection, I stands for the eye movement, and technology is related to the technique. How can we make computers see and feel? So, Blue Eyes technology uses sensing technology to identify users' action and extract key information through microphone and video camera. Information is used to identify users' physical, emotional and informational state. Now the designing of Blue Eye technology. So the Blue Eye technology uses a personal area network for linking all operators and supervising system. And it also have two major units, that is Data Acquisition Unit, that is DAU, and Central System Unit, which is CSU. Now we are going to see the system overview. This is the system overview of the Blue Eye technology. It consists of a data acquisition unit and a central system unit. In the data acquisition unit, there is a ATML 89652 microcontroller and a JAS sensor. And in the central system unit, connection manager, visualization module, data analysis, data logger, etc. is there. And these both units are connected to the Bluetooth. Okay, so the Bluetooth technology provides the reliable communication between both the units. Next is data acquisition unit features. So the features of data acquisition units are, it is lightweight, it runs on the battery, so there is very low power consumption, and it is easy to use. That is, it does not disturb the operator working. ID cards are used for operator authentication. Voice transmission is using PCM codec, that is. So here you can see the data acquisition unit. There is a microcontroller and a multi-sensor and a Bluetooth. Next is JAS multi-sensor. It's an eye movement sensor to provide necessary psychological data in data acquisition unit. It supplies raw digital data regarding eye position, the level of blood oxygenation acceleration along horizontal and vertical axis, and ambient light intensity. Eye movement can be measured using direct infrared oculographic transducers. Eye movement. Human eye movements have the potential to be convenient, natural, fast input mode of computers due to their communication power. This is the diagram of an eye. Next is CSU features. So the central system unit consists of a connection manager, visualization module, data analysis and data logger. So the main features of CSU is connection management, data processing, visualization, data recording, access verification and system maintenance. Next is magic. The computer could move the cursor by the direction of the user's eye. As you can see in the figure, with the movement of the user's eye, the computer cursor will move. So there is a LED and a video camera and the gaze point is there. Next is UTUB. It is mostly used in web-based application. Emotion of mouse. This mouse is used to evaluate the user's emotion, such as anger, sadness, fear, happiness, surprise, etc. when we use a computer. So here you can see a pressure sensor, photo sensor, GSR sensor and temperature sensors. So these sensors are used to evaluate the emotions of the user. Now the application. Application is what first one is POD, car manufactured by Toyota. Next is Pong robot designed by IBM. And another application is secure badge and electronic badge that identify the wearer. That is secure badge. Now the conclusion. A convenient way of simplifying the life by providing more delicate and user-friendly facilities in computer devices. The gap between the electronic and physical world is reduced. The computers can be run using implicit commands instead of the explicit commands. These are the references. Hope you understood the topic Blue Eye Technology. Thank you.